Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the boAt Stone 180 portable Bluetooth speaker. So as you can see, this is the box that it comes in. These are TWS, it's a TWS speaker. It has 5 watts of immersive sound. It's IPX7 splash and water resistant, smooth integrated controls, and it says up to 10 hours of playback, which is great. Let me go ahead and turn it over, and at the back, so it packs an 800 mAh battery, which gives it up to 10 hours of non-stop playback. So according to the box, it's got 8 to 10 hours of playback, and it works on Bluetooth version 5.0, and it's got dual connectivity modes, Bluetooth and aux. So there's an aux cable port also here where you can connect another device to it. Lightweight design for enhanced portability. All right, so let's just go ahead and open it up. And so it comes in this sort of flimsy black plastic wrapping, which you can see is, so there you are. So that's the boAt Stone 180. That's the speaker. As you can see, it's very compact, it's very small. It comes with a lanyard, which is neat, so you can carry it around pretty easily. At the base, right over here, you can see there's an aux cable, and you have your USB charging port, okay? And there's also a reset button, and close that up. At the back it says boAt model Stone 180 portable Bluetooth speaker. You get 2 cables that come with it. Now one is a charging cable, and there's an aux cable which they've given, right, which is great. I'll just go ahead and keep that down. So there you are, folks. That was the unboxing of the boAt Stone 180. This is a portable Bluetooth wireless speaker. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.